like criteria to judge?
Yeah, there's a.
Is there like a checklist or something?
Yeah, there's a checklist.
Okay.
Yeah, so I see you taking pictures, huh?
Beautiful.
Yeah, they are. Does he let you drive this sometimes?
I don't like driving it as much now as I used to.
Really?
We changed the steering wheel and he's done other work to it.
Oh, really?
I liked it before. I like it better now that he doesn't have the camper shell.
Oh, okay. Yeah.
Hey, I drive everything we own.
Yeah.
None of that mine.
What's his is his, what's yours is ours, right?
What's his is mine, what's mine is mine. But in all fairness, it's ours.
Okay, okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
It's an individual effort. So.
Okay.
So you're a high desert person?
You.
Ooh, that was quick. What's wrong with our desert?
Yeah, it's hot.
Yeah, that it is.
Yeah.
That it is.
Yeah. Well, I'm gonna circle on around.
Have a good one.
Thank you.
Yeah.
Hey, I just want to see what you guys are talking about. See if it's politics or.
Yeah. Talk about these cars, man.
We want to be rich like you, bro.
Well, you know what? That's not hard. I'm working on my second million right now.
Second?
Yeah, I didn't make the first one, so I'm
You
trying
gave up on that first one. Yeah, I moved on too. Are you with Keller Williams?
Yes.
My wife is Lorelei.
Lorelei. But see,
Lorelei Blau.
I'm down in the Rancho office.
Oh, okay, no, we're up here.
Okay.
Yeah.
Lorelei, I don't think I know her.
Yeah, she's over there underneath that blue tarp. The
Oh, really?
Filipino girl. Yeah.
Oh, it's a Filipino girl.
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, we didn't bring our car out. We're gonna bring our car out to the next one. We're gonna bring one of them. We had 3.
Okay.
So we're gonna bring old Killer out to the next one.
Okay.
We're gonna bring old Killer out to the next one.
You want to give them a chance, right?
Oh no, I don't have this kind of hot rod. I got a blown 1970 Chevelle SS.
Really?
Yeah, I got a 66.
Yeah.
I got a 66 Chevelle SS and a 65 Malibu SS.
Okay.
But they need to be completely restored. But the 70 is drivable.
Okay.
Yeah, it's pretty nasty.
Yeah.
It's pretty nasty. I did the theme like it's a hot rod with a blower coming up through the hood.
Okay.
But I did a theme on it. I still got the original black vinyl top.
Right.
Not the original, but I bought the original fabric.
Okay.
And so I tried to make the body as factory as possible without doing anything elaborate to the body.
Okay.
Other than cutting a big hole in the hood so that all that mess can come through.
Yeah.
But other than that, it's borderline stock. The suspension is done. I got tired.